county. I can feel it. Yep, my county. Oh, they're all going.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties, in Virginia, Arlington and Fairfax, and the following independent cities, in Virginia, Alexandria, Fairfax, Falls Church, and Manassas Park. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the District of Columbia, southwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, Prince George's County in central Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, Arlington County in northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the southeastern city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 12:31 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen, and additional rainfall amounts up to an inch are expected. This will cause creeks and streams to slowly rise out of their banks. Some locations that may experience flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Germantown, Centerville, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Bowie, Annandale, Clinton, Olney, Springfield, College Park, Crofton, Fort Washington, Herndon, Greenbelt, Fairfax, and Langley Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.